Welcome back to Viet Flavors. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Thai cuisine with a comforting classic, Tom Yum soup with noodles. This iconic hot and sour soup, known for its aromatic herbs and bold flavors, is a staple across Thailand and beyond. We're making a hearty version today, featuring both shrimp and chicken. Here's what you'll need. For proteins and vegetables, 225 grams of shrimp peeled and deveined, 150 grams of chicken breast or thigh thinly sliced, 225 grams of canned straw mushrooms, 150 grams of mini tomatoes. For broth and aromatics, 4 cups of chicken or seafood stock, 2 stalks of lemongrass, 4 kaffir lime leaves, 4 slices of fresh ginger or galangal if you have it, 4 Thai chilies minced, 2 tablespoons tom yum paste, 1 tablespoon freshly minced garlic, and for seasoning, salt, mushroom powder, sugar, and lime juice to taste. Finally, fresh cilantro and lime wedges to garnish. Let's quickly prepare the ingredients. Halve the straw mushrooms. Note that you can use any mushrooms of your choice. I happen to have a can of straw mushrooms, so I used them. Now let's have the mini tomatoes. Again, you can use any tomatoes of your choice. My garden has a lot of mini tomatoes, so I used them. Chop a handful of fresh cilantro for garnish. And for the lemongrass, make shallow cuts along the stalks or lightly smash them to release their aroma. Now, let's start building flavor. Heat a little oil in a pot over medium-high heat. Add garlic and minced chilies. Sauté until fragrant. Stir in the tom yum paste and let it sizzle for a few seconds to release all its aroma. Add the straw mushrooms and stir briefly. Whoa, this is smelling so good. The garlic, chilies, combined with the tom yum paste are giving an irresistible aroma. Pour in the chicken stock. Then add the ginger slices, lemongrass, and kaffir lime leaves. Bring everything up to a gentle boil. Skim off any impurities on the surface. Then add the mini tomatoes. Let them simmer for a few minutes. Look how beautiful the soup is turning out after the addition of tomatoes. Let's begin adjusting the broth. Season with salt, mushroom powder, or sugar as needed. Now it's time for the proteins. Add the shrimp first and cook just until pink. Then add the chicken slices and simmer until fully cooked. Remove both shrimp and chicken with a slotted spoon and set them aside so they don't overcook. Before serving, remove the ginger slices, lemongrass, and kaffir lime leaves from the broth to keep it smooth and clean. Taste and adjust until the balance is just right. In each serving bowl, place the noodles. Arrange the cooked chicken and shrimp on top. Ladle the hot tom yum broth with mushrooms and tomatoes over everything. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and serve with lime wedges on the side. And there you have it, tom yum soup with noodles, rich, fragrant, and full of flavor. Note that tom yum soup can also be enjoyed without the noodles. You don't need the noodles if you don't have them on hand. Thanks for watching Viet Flavors, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.